In the next couple of days in this free course, I will be showing you various methods on how to find these insane viral products. While everyone is still doing the outdated product research methods back in 2020, I will be showing you the absolute current 2021 methods that will allow you to leap ahead of your competition. Dropshipping is always changing, and for you to have the best chance to have sales, you have to adapt. You have to study the winning processes of becoming a better dropshipper. In 2021, it is time to turn the grind mode on. Do you have what it takes? So welcome to day number 4 of our free dropshipping course. Now, if you haven't seen day number 2, we went over how to find products on TikTok, which is a current 2021 product research method. You definitely want to check that video out. If you haven't seen day number 3, we went over how to find winning products on Amazon, products that are being updated hourly. So if you want to check those videos out, make sure you check the link in the description or in the comments. It will be pinned up and you guys can click in and watch those videos and catch up. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to find winning products on AliExpress, but there is a specific way that we're going to be doing this that's not as common as you see on YouTube. So the first thing what you want to do is go to google.com and go to AliExpress drop shipping center. Very simple. Then you're going to click the first link, which is the AliExpress dropshipping center, and hopefully you're logged in. Once you're logged in, it'll take you to a page like this. So I'm going to make this straight to the point as much as possible. I don't want to do too much explaining. I just want to show you guys how to use the dropshipping center so that you guys can go out there and try to find these winning products. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to go to this link right here where it says step number 1, find the winning products. So you're going to click that. Once you select that, it's going to take you to a page like this on how to find hot selling products. So the only tab that you want to worry about is the hot selling. You don't need to worry about search by image or sponsored products or anything like that. Just go to this page. And once you select this page, the key here is to go to this section right here where the filter tab, where you can select the United States. So we're going to be finding drop shipping orders that are being drop shipped from the United States. Basically, these are actual drop shipping stores that are in the United States. So we're going to sort it by the United States orders. Then a whole bunch of products are going to be listed right in front of us. Now you can go in and dive in and start dissecting, all these products and things like that. But the most efficient way is to really go into a specific product category, also known as a niche. So you're going to select that, and they're going to have all the niches that you would see on AliExpress. You can go to any of them. They're going to have a whole bunch of winning products in each of these categories. So we can go into, let's say, jewelry and accessories. We're going to go into necklace and pendants, and then we're going to go into pendants. So again, products are going to be popping up in front of us, and these are the drop shipping orders. These are the consumer orders right here. This is the rated, which is a scale from 0 to 5, 5 being the highest. So pay attention to that. The sales performance is also something I would pay attention to. If it's good or top rated, it's a very good product. If it's below average, it's probably saturated, or a lot of people have already drop shipped that product already. Let's check out this product right here. This is the first on the list. As you can see, this has about 12,000 orders, 500 reviews, which is a lot of reviews for a product. So right off the get-go, guys, this is a product you can go and add to your store and start building your jewelry store and start marketing it. Okay, so I'm in another niche called the education office supplies desk accessories. So I just went into education office supplies, and then I just select desk accessories organizer. Now, something interesting that I found was since this is a niche that a lot of people are trying to get into, since we're in a huge crisis right now with everything that's going on around the world and everyone's staying home. There's been a lot of layoffs, there's been a lot of unemployment, people are working from home and starting businesses from home. This is a very good niche to get into. And so I saw something very interesting with a creative pencil holder, which is very unique. We wouldn't necessarily see this on at Walmart or Target or your local stores, which is a huge plus. You definitely want to find products that you can't find anywhere else. It's just accessible online. And it looks like a really good product. I think this is very useful. It's very unique. It has about 200 orders, 87 reviews. But if we go back and we go into the Analyze tool, you're going to notice something very interesting here. So as you can see, like I said, if the graph looks a little lumpy, it spikes up, 100 orders. The next day it has 100 orders. It goes down and then it spikes up again. Like I said, that means that there is a dropshipper promoting this product. And when dropshippers order a product online and they have a lot of orders, they order everything at one time. They don't just order, let's say they have 2 orders in one day. Okay, then they go to AliExpress and then order again. A professional dropshipper does everything in bulk. They do everything at one time. And so if you notice the pattern of the graph, it's 100 orders on the 30th. The next day it's 100 orders. It goes back down. They probably started promoting their store again, and then they had another 100 order volume, and it went down. Now they're going back up, back down. They probably scaled down. Now they're going to scale up, and they had 67 orders. So this definitely tells me this is a very good product, and it's very consistent. It's over the course of the 29th all the way to the 9th, which is 10 days, 10 days of really good data that we've pulled in just from the dropshipping center. And you can base off if you want to actually promote that product or not. Remember, guys, you won't know if it's a winning product for you if you don't test it for yourself, right? I can sit here and say like, this is a winning product, which obviously is a winning product, but you're not making money. I'm not making money by sitting here saying that this is a winning product. You have to go out there and go test it. You have to add it to your store. You got to build the product pages. You have to go and create the ads. You have to go and study your competitors and see how much they're pricing their product. You have to do all these things so that you can get to that point where, okay, I'm getting sales. Now I'm, fulfilling these orders and I'm making money, right? Very, very simple processes. And the whole goal with this course, guys, is to teach you how to understand the processes of becoming a better dropshipper. So let's go to one more category before I close out this video. Okay, so let's go into home appliances and let's get into kitchen stuff, because a lot of people are cooking from home. So let's go into the kitchen appliances and see what pulls up. Okay, so right off the get-go, guys, I see a VIP link. This is very crucial and very important if you want to find winning products. I'm actually going to go over that in my next video. That is a very, very great way to find winning products when you see VIP links, and I'll show you guys the processes on how to do that tomorrow. But in this niche, guys, you can see that there's this portable blender. Obviously this is pretty saturated, but it is a very good product. We can see if how the analysis is doing for as far as drop shipping, and people are still making money. There's 50 orders a day, about 67 orders, 50 orders, 100 orders. People are making money with this product. It's just all about you taking action and doing the work. If we scroll down a little bit more, we have a lunchbox, which is pretty interesting. A lot of people are storing food nowadays. A lot of people don't want to cook all the time, but you can add this on your online store. It has about 64 orders. But we can literally type this electric lunchbox on the search bar. We can go in here and type it in and compare it to other Shopify stores, because there's going to be other stores that probably have a lot of orders on it too. So as you can see, 822 orders. This one that we saw, I think I went on the page, but the other one had about 22 orders. So to really make sure that this is a really good product, you can go out here and find other suppliers that have a huge order volume and validate, yeah, okay, this is a winning product, right? Okay, so basically I'm going to start from scratch for you guys. Okay, I love doing product research, so I'm going to show you guys again. Okay, type in Dropshipping Center from the get-go, go to AliExpress. Okay, once you select that, you're going to click the first link. Don't worry about anything else. Just go into find products in this category right here. You just select it. And what you want to do from the get-go is sorted by the United States dropshipping orders, which is currently right here. Once that happens, you can go into any niche and start finding really good products. So then I can go to any of these categories. Let's do men's clothing and get into, let's say, I mean, it's winter time. Okay, let's stick to what's working right now. We can do jackets and hoodies. We can do pants. We can do sweaters. Let's see. I'm just gonna pick a guess and just go with jackets. So jackets and coats. Very simple item to sell. Let's see if there's anything unique. Like I said, if you see VIP links, guys, you know, you can find a really good products with that one. But I'm gonna show you guys tomorrow on how to do that. Let's see. We have a product right here. This one looks pretty interesting. We go on the analysis here. Let's actually analyze this product. See if there's any drop shippers. Wow, look at that. This is clearly a drop shipping product. So from day one, this is like a 10-day forecast. So on the 27th, it has 100 orders. They went down. It has 100 orders again. It's probably more than 100 orders because I think this list only goes up to 100. Yeah, so it's an index range of 100. The higher the value, 100 is going to be the highest. So this dropshipper looks like he's ordering the product every other day. Around this time, he probably turned it off just because of New Year's. He probably turned the ads back on. Got 100 orders again. Got 100 orders again. He's making some sales, 100 orders. So I'm pretty sure over the next 20 days or so, he's going to make some really good money with this product. And just based off this product, I mean, if I could just say why this product is working, I think it's an oversized jacket. Number one, it's very unique. It's a different style. It's kind of like a print on demand. It's not basic. It kind of matches with the winter theme. And it keeps you warm. You know, I do have something similar to this, and I can tell it's a very warm jacket. Some more products right here, top selling products on this store. Has about 1,000 orders. Really cool. This is a hot sale recommendations that they're talking about. So, you know, you can literally have a full-blown jacket store and just start importing these hot sales, these hot styles, right? Very, very simple. You know, you want to keep everything simple, guys. Just I see people ordering, you know, adding and importing a whole bunch of different random products onto their store. You know, just keep it in sync with what you're doing. It's a whole process. It's not doing random things. You have to, you know, take it a step back, take your time, understand how I did in this video. And it's literally that simple, guys. Like, it's literally that simple. But that's it for today, guys. In this course, I know I did probably ramble a little bit, you know, towards the end of this video. But I was really drilled down on this product. This product looks really good and interesting, that probably I would like to promote in the future, which is a 2020 product that's listed here. But if you did enjoy this video, guys, I do have another product research method video coming out tomorrow. It's going to deal with VIP links. Nobody on YouTube is talking about it, so I'm going to be revealing that on this channel. And the only way to get that video, guys, is to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I drop that video, and you can be the first one to try that product research method out. Okay, so if you did enjoy this video, guys, make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment down your thoughts on things that you would like to see in the future, because remember, this is a free course and I really want to give you guys all the information that you would want, all the information that's missing out on the internet, and anything that can definitely help you guys, be on the right track to be successful in your dropshipping store. Okay.